Today's Country 106.5 WYRK. That's Thomas Rhett and Die a Happy Man. I'm Brett Allen, man. I couldn't get any happier. This is a perfect day. We're hanging out for the WYRK Toyota Taste the Country. And everybody, if you would, please make some noise. Mr. Granger Smith out here. Thanks so much for joining me. I
appreciate it.
Good to be here.
Thanks for having me.
First of all, congratulations on the Backroad song. If the boot fits, you're starting to shoot up the charts, man.
Thank you, buddy. It's a dream come true for sure.
I remember hearing about you for years now. Earl Dibbles Jr. Can you play Earl Dibbles Jr.? Play Earl Dibbles Jr. And I love it, man. Even at weddings, I get wedding requests because I do weddings, of course. I get wedding requests all the time for Earl Dibbles Jr.
That's awesome. That's a good wedding if Earl Dibbles Jr. is going to show up, right?
Tell me where that came from. The name, just where did Earl Dibbles Jr. originate? Where did that come from?
Yeah, this is something a few years ago. Both of my brothers and I, back in Central Texas where we live, we decided we were making a bunch of videos at the time that was helping promote the Granger music, and we decided that making some funny videos that people could pass around and email to each other and retweet and things like that would help get the message out. And Earl went viral.
It certainly did.
And we've been chasing ever since.
I mean, ESPN picked you up. You were doing college picks, weren't you? I mean, weren't you doing your college football picks?
Yeah, and we started doing these college football picks based on what team was more country that should win the game. And CBS Sports came in and said, hey, we want to run this on our Inside College Football show.
So I don't know if I can do this, but can I get Earl Dibbles Jr. to pick when the Bills play the Patriots, let's say? I don't know. Maybe the Patriots.
Who do they open the season with?
The Bills. Gosh, you know what? I don't even know.
That's a trick question. We'll do the Patriots.
I haven't even looked at the schedule, but I don't know if I can maybe get you to just kind of pick who might win between the Bills and the Patriots. Or Earl Dibbles Jr.
Buffalo Bills versus New England Patriots. I got to definitely go with Buffalo on this one because you know what? Buffalo's country. And I also wear a cap, and it's got a bill. Hey, I like bills. They win.
That's awesome. We're looking forward to it. The Bills are gonna win big. And are we gonna see some Earl Dibbles Jr. tonight on the stage?
I never know the exact answer to that. I just make this up as I go. But I imagine there's a really good chance.
I'm keeping my fingers crossed. I think there's a lot of people out in the parking lot that are doing the same. It's Granger Smith. He's got to head over to the casino. I'm not going to keep him any longer. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thanks, buddy. Thanks for having me.
We're looking forward to the show tonight. Keep it right here. It's Today's Country 106.5 WYRK.